Hi, today we're going to make a Chinese New Year lantern. So let's look at the stuff we need. So you need a pouch full with color pencils or crayons. You need a normal pencil. You need some glue. You need some scissors, and you can use blank regular paper. You can use construction paper or colored paper. So let's start by folding our paper long side to long side and crease it nice and tight so it doesn't come off. So when you have this, you're going to draw, but instead of drawing on the inside, if you draw on the inside, you can't see your drawing. So you're going to draw on the outside. So we are going to draw a pink or purple heart. So you're going to start by drawing one side and go to the crease. So you guys can look at this. And the next part is you're going to stop at the same place your heart went. Now you can color it. You can color red, purple, or blue. That's your only choice. So I'm going to give you 1 minute and you guys can color it. If you're not done, it's okay. We'll give you some extra time. So you guys can start right now. But if I'm using the red, you guys can use red or the other colors I mentioned, not the other colors, okay guys? Hurry up, it's almost going to be time. Okay, who's not ready yet? So we're done coloring, and you can color it in multiple colors or use just one color. It's okay. So next, see what we're going to do next. First, then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut one full strip off for the handle. When you see it, it looks with a crease here, and the rest of them shouldn't come off. You're going to go near to the middle, but near to the edge, not really to the edge. Okay, see where it lands? That's where my other strips should go. Don't cut randomly, okay? If it goes over your heart, it's okay. Cause that would show it like outside with all that different color. And it will look beautifully and good. So you guys see where my scissor is going? That's where you can land, or you guys can go actually more near. So I don't want to make this lantern look bad. So I want to shorten that place out. If it's a bit too big, you guys can do something. You guys can grab another piece of paper and do it again with me. And we're almost done. Keep cutting, guys. We're almost done. The edge. Okay. And I'm done. So when you open it up, it will come like this. See these holes? Now, from the short side to short side, you're going to try to form a circle. But if you do this way, it will be a bit silly because one side is round and the other side is flat. No. You don't want that. You want a nice circle. So I'm going to show you the shape. You guys can copy it down, then we can go to the next step. So it should look like this, or a bit tall. It's okay for me. And don't break it. Be careful with it. Then you're going to take your glue. My glue's a bit not good. So you're going to apply it. You're going to apply it onto one side. You can apply it on any side. And you're going to take the other side and glue it there. Okay, wait a second. Mine is not gluing. Just stick it up, okay? Okay. So mine is not enough, so I have to put lots of glue here. Wait a second, guys. It's not good. So yours would look like this. If you did it in multiple colors. If we did it in just one color, it will look like with red or purple or blue on either sides. And this is how mine look. And now you're almost near the end. So you want to hold it in your hands. So you're going to do this. Take your glue stick or the glue you have in your hand. And you're going to apply it. Then you're going to stick it behind it, not underneath it. It'll look a bit silly. Wait a sec. Let's try this, that, and you're going to glue it. And this is how it looks.